So last night I drove back from Venice Beach to Vegas. It took me about 5.5 hours. When I got here at like 8 p.m., it was still 90 degrees out. So I just hung out in the car for a bit with the AC running. The good part about my car is that it's a hybrid, so it doesn't eat up too much gas running the AC. I tried going to sleep around midnight and it was still really hot out, so I was kind of tossing and turning for a while, but I eventually did fall asleep. It was still pretty cool when I got up this morning around 7 a.m., so I did a couple laps. I got a stretch in quick. I took my vitamins and then I just started packing up the car. I also had to pick up a package from Joy Titus. They sent me this new SUV mattress to try out. I have one back here that they gave me that I really like, so it'll be interesting to see if this one's better or if I prefer this old one. But it feels like it's too hot today to do a gear review out here, so I'm thinking of driving out to Mount Charleston. It's at 7,500 feet elevation, so it can be as much as like 20-25 degrees cooler than down here. It's really nice to have like an escape from Vegas, especially with the heat coming through. Only an hour drive from here that's so much cooler and beautiful. I just want to see if there's some camping spots that I could pull up to. I'm gonna grab a quick shower and then there's a Walmart next door, so I'm gonna go over there and grab some supplies. All right, let's do it. You ready? There's a couple of quarters in here.
God bless you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
I'll be praying for you.
Thank you.
You know, King coming back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm heading towards Mount Charleston. It's just like a pull-off on the road, and I don't think it's quite up the mountain too far, but I'm not sure like if it's even going to be much cooler. I can see sort of the degrees dropping as I drive, but it says I'm only 12 minutes out, so I don't really know what to expect. Just want to scope it out, and if it looks all right, I might spend the night there. It's nice to be back on the road here after staying briefly in Vegas, where it was hot as hell. It was a little bit dicey on that road on the way in, but you know, this car is a 4x4, so I managed to get here. It's getting a little bit late in the day, so yeah, I don't know if this might be an all right spot just to chill for tonight. It's about 10 degrees cooler than it was in Vegas, which is not bad. So I'm gonna just jump out and take a quick walk around and then call it from there. So that's Mount Charleston off in the distance, I believe. Still has some snow on it. This is still very much desert, mountainous area. The car got super dusty on the way in. But yeah, this is the gravel road that I was driving on, and could have been worse. Mia's trying to get out of here already. I do sometimes think that Mia's just so used to being in a city, in a house, at the park with lots of people and dogs around that I don't know if she's content right now, just kind of out in the middle of nowhere. I think it'd be a nice break from the usual traveling around by road or staying at the park. Just absolutely beautiful here and quiet. So I think I might stay and do Mount Charleston another day. What do you guys think? Yeah. So I just got done finishing the review for the Joy Tutus SUV mattress they sent me to test out. There's Mia on her new cooling mattress, and this thing actually is quite cool. It comes with these pockets here, big pockets, big mesh window so she can still see up front, and another pocket over there. So yeah, it's been a nice spot to come and record in peace and quiet, and it's gorgeous out here. For dinner, I got some supplies to cook a nice coconut curry noodle, forgot what it's called, a spicy coconut curry ramen, that's it. And instead of buying raw chicken to cook up, I just bought some pre-cooked pulled chicken, this broccoli slaw, instead of getting all the vegetables to dice up. And I think I probably saved a couple bucks anyways doing that, so we'll see how it tastes. Mia's growling at a car, driving down a road.